There are definitely some ways you can use the job description to determine if the company is a good fit for you. Take a look at the company section of the job description, and companies often include a paragraph to talk about their benefits, growth opportunities, and perks for working for that organization, and sometimes even include unique aspects of the culture. For example, if you're seeking a company that offers a collaborative, team-oriented environment, then seek out specific terms in the job description that portray that type of working environment to determine if it's a good fit for you. You can gain some really valuable information by paying attention to the interview process. Some of the small details, like, is the process streamlined? How are they treating you when you're on site? Are they responding in a timely manner? Are they being respectful of your time? Just paying attention to some of these small details can give you some invaluable insights to the employee culture. Researching the company is so important, not only to understand what the company does and what their products are, but also to give you a better idea about the company culture. Looking at their website, you can get a sense of what kind of vibe the website gives off. Is it more professional, more straightforward, more personal? Take a look at find the mission statement, the benefits page, reasons why you want to work at that company, all kinds of great information there. Additionally, I would say take a look at their social media pages. You can find out what types of things they're posting on, an idea of their sense of humor, and really just how they're engaging with the outside world. And is this a place that you could really see yourself working at? When you're putting your questions together for your interview, it's important to include some culture-centered questions. Ask things like how they're developing their existing employees. What are the internal growth opportunities look like? What are some of the valued traits of the leaders of the organization? Maybe what drew the interviewer to come to that company. Another question I like to ask is, would they refer a friend or former colleague to come work for that company? Include some questions that can give you some insights to the culture of the company.